Okay, ladies, I'm back, and once again, it timed out on me, and I don't know what I am doing wrong. I'm a rookie at all of this videotaping and stuff, but I wanted to show you. I did it again, the exact same procedure is what I did for the first one. I did with the second one when it timed out. I don't know if you can see that or not. And then I did it again on the third spot. So there are, like I said, you can do the entire thing here. But on my next video, I'm going to show you some of the cutouts and stuff that I do with it. So it's that simple. All I do is use the heat gun. And the nice thing about this is if it doesn't turn out, I can just erase it by reheating it, applying a little bit more flux or solder if it's need be. The other thing I wanted to mention to you is when you are picking your dies, you want to be careful as to the void areas. So if you can see on here, the Tree of Life, there's a lot of big areas that are void areas. So you may not pick up, well, of course, there's nothing there, so it's not going to pick up a pattern, but you will see the heart shape and stuff like that on it. But, you know, we can kind of, actually, let's try to do that one. So let me grab another spoon here, and I'm going to pause this, and I'm going to come back in again. Okay.